So, nag-open kami ng opisina sa Samar. And I would like to say that I'm very happy to be here. And I guess Mary is also happy kasi we're part of this WD Central Office for so many years prior to joining the International Justice Mission. So we're happy to be in front of the people who I call our family. Thank you.
Thank you, Ma'am Josephine. Thank you for the partnership. And for my father's house, may I call on Miss Dana Collins for a word?
Good morning. It is a pleasure. I'm so excited to be here. I've only been here 9 short years, and so this is our second accreditation. But I'm just thrilled to be here and so honored to be here. I want to thank the DSWD and the Accreditation Standards Bureau for their visit with us. It gave me a lot to inspire to because I made a goal for 2012 to be a center of excellence, as well as getting our accreditation. But I couldn't, it's easy for an executive director to come here and accept an award, but it's because of my incredible team that I have the privilege of working with that made this happen. So I know that everyone's not here with me today, but I really want to recognize the team that I have, social workers and caregivers, and the specific areas that we are involved in our medical field, our education field. We have independent living. We have an Academy of Leaders with 13 incredible college students that are already and preparing to be the very best that they can and to lead their nation into our next generation. So I'm very proud of them. But thank you for this honor, thank you for this recognition, and thank you. God bless.
Thank you for those inspiring words, Ma'am Dana. And in behalf of the department to recognize, may I call on Ma'am Hazel Militante. Give a few words.
Few words lang po. Again po, we would like to congratulate. Actually, you are our, hindi siya new partner, but our old, no? Our very supportive na mga partners in providing services, especially to sa mga disadvantaged sectors of our society. So, in behalf of the department, we would like to welcome you again, and we hope that this will be our continuous journey in providing services to our disadvantaged sectors. Thank you very much, and good morning.
Thank you very much. Picture taking. Di mawawala. Okay. May I call